This is the Ideal Gas Law interactive calculator, which solves for pressure, volume, temperature, moles, gas density, or gas mass using the ideal gas equation. For input fields, you'll enter values for pressure P, volume 5, temperature T, moles N, molar mass M, and mass M. The calculation mode dropdown lets you choose what to solve for. You can select pressure, volume, temperature, moles, gas density, or gas mass. I'm selecting Solve for Pressure. The pressure unit dropdown offers Pascal, kilopascal, atmosphere, PSI, or bar. I'll use kilopascal. Volume units include cubic meter, liter, cubic centimeter, cubic foot, or cubic inch. I'm using liter. Temperature can be in Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Rankine. I'll select Kelvin. Mass units are gram, kilogram, or pound. I'll use gram. After entering your known values and clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your calculated value along with the state of all variables. The calculator shows the primary result prominently, then lists all parameters including pressure, volume, temperature, moles, density, and mass in their respective units. This comprehensive output lets you verify your calculation and see how all properties relate in the ideal gas system. Find the link in the description below.